down to Manchester and turn down to Glastonbury and back. Yeah.
Yeah, Leonard's
Yeah.
still on it.
Yeah. What I'm going to do is some plate spinning. So you get the plate like this, you do like that, and you go round and round and round, and you've got to keep going. When it goes to about there, you give it a stop, it falls on the floor, but then you make it go, so you go like that, and then it goes like that. Balance it on your like so. And then you can put it on your chin and do it.
I first got into crystals about 15 years ago, and I love making this jewellery because I want other people to really experience the healing power of crystals like I did. The first piece I had was a piece of Tibetan turquoise, and it connected my heart to my throat, and for the first time in my life I started speaking from my heart, and that changed my life completely. So crystals are naturally programmed to bring positive change, and even if people are just tuned into them because they like them as a fashion accessory, it doesn't matter, because they work on a deep subconscious level and they bring very profound healing, whether the wearer believes it or not.
Yo, this love that I have for the food really keep me in tune. I spit like I've got a wand in my hand. This microphone in the place that I stand, I definitely am feeling grand, feeling that my mind can expand to all altitudes. My mood, yeah, is presented through what I eat in my food. These natural elements have so much relevance. Yeah, I'm so macro, I gotta deal with the spirulina, Corella, and everything, and I love the cacao. Yeah, and the goji berries. Yeah, I've always sorted them out into those super salads. Yeah, it's so flavorous. I'm loving it. Yeah, there's lots of trees, so wild foraging out on sprees. Yo, I take a picture from dandelions. Yo, feeling so much. Yeah, I'm on fire in this light. It's got to strike day and night. I'm loving it. It's like life. There's the key, there's the energy. Yeah, it's raw and it's good for everybody, you and me. Thank you, thank you.
Sea buckthorn is the future. It's like our goji berry, essentially. What we do is, we do things a bit different in Europe. They use goji berry bark, leaf, root, and stem in the tea. We don't put the stem in now, we use the leaf, the bark, and the root, and the fruit. So, it's nice. I like making a tea out of sea buckthorn. I like making a tea out of goji berry, but I do prefer sea buckthorn because it has more vitamin C than goji berry. It has more lutein in it than goji berry. Pound for pound, it has more antioxidants than goji berry. It has more vitamin E than goji berry. The list is like that. It's like 5 times more powerful than goji berry. It's much better for you, in my opinion.
What's the name of it?
Sea buckthorn.
I try to explain to people how to make kefir. It boggles their mind because it's so simple. So here you are. This is in the morning. I've got this is kefir culture that's been in milk for a day. So in the morning, you just open the jar, get a bowl, pour it in, go like that, and then you can really pour it out and then clean the jar some mornings and really go for it. Or if you're in a real hurry, you can just stick it right back in, and it's done. That's it. And then what you do. By the way, we're going to be making kefir for sale soon. It's going to be shipped out, and I promise you, I will be doing the ultimate hygiene conditions, because that's so. Don't worry about that. And then you pour the milk back in. This is the raw milk, raw Jersey milk from Dreamer's Farm, which is about 5 or 6 miles away. Put that back in, and then tomorrow we'll do the same thing.
Hemp is definitely should be on the cards as something to eat. It contains all of your amino acids, so you can make everything out of it. You could literally build a body from the proteins that are in it. It contains all the essential amino acids, and importantly with hemp, they're in the correct ratio for your body. So you've got your omega-3s, 6s and 9s, not everything that contains omega acids, omega oils has them in the right balance for your body. So it's almost like divinity has given us this plant, which is perfect for us to use.
Yet a God-given plant is defined as a drug? What madness is this? Madness, madness, I call it madness. Genesis 1:29. Behold, I have given you every herb-bearing seed. So if the growing of a plant is a criminal offence, and God must be guilty. It's raining hemp, hallelujah! It's raining hemp, hallelujah! It's raining hemp, hallelujah! Hallelujah! I really love ya! Oh yes, son!
There you go, that's what I was going to say.
Here I have a bowl of the finest organic hemp seeds soaked overnight in water. Drained of the water, now they've been sitting to start sprouting a little bit. And now I'm going to take of these like 10 teaspoonfuls. Put a little spring water in here. About like twice as much the amount of seeds that you have. I would say like about this much, okay? Put that there. Now to make it extra special, I'm going to add 1 date. Boom. I flip the switch on. Boom. So I'm running this, and now I'm going to increase the speed of the blender. So it's going to be a little bit harder to talk. And here we go. So now this stuff is going to really grind up the hemp seed into a totally fine powder and break open the luscious, nutritious energy that's waiting in that seed that's been sprouting now. This is a hemp milk bag, or any milk bag, almond milk bag, walnut milk bag. Now she's gonna pour this right now into the nut milk bag right here. Go down a little bit. Okay, good. Now this is now the milking process. You see how the milk is coming out of there? Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. It's just streaming with life energy. Now, this then can become the base of a smoothie, can become the base of anything that you want it to be. I pour it into this container. Look, just like milk, and 10 times more nutritious than milk. Cheers to the life, to the year 1 after Beetledome, right? This is the year 1. Age of Aquarius has officially begun. Cheers.
And it tastes good.
And it tastes good, huh?
Awesome.
Awesome. I'm telling you guys, and it's so simple. It's hemp, folks. Hemp is the solution.
Don't